Namaste, everyone. This is Harsha Ramaiya. Today, in this MasterChef week, we have yet another mom chef, Miss Neeti. So I will invite Miss Neeti on the screen. Hi, Neeti.
Hi Harsha, how are you?
Ekdam fine. First of all, thank you so much for accepting to be on this show for a wonderful recipe that you're going to show to us. I will not take much time because I'm sure that the audience are waiting to, see more of you than me. So I will go backstage and the whole screen is now yours, Neeti. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much Harsha. Hello everyone, and once again I would like to thank you Harsha for giving me, such a wonderful opportunity to be here. This is my, first experience to be live on Facebook. So I am really happy, thankful to you, and I am super excited to share my recipe with you all. So once again, thank you so much. So before I start, let me tell you, as we all know, lockdown is going on, and we all are, badly missing restaurant-style food like pizzas or Frankies or wraps or pav bhaji, even street food like vada pav, dabeli. અને if we observe આ બધામાં જો કોઈ એકદમ ચેલેન્જિંગ વસ્તુ હોય અથવા કોઈ કોમન વસ્તુ હોય તો એ છે the preparation of bread. So today I have come up with a very good solution for that, and I'm really happy to share my unique signature recipe with you all. So let's start. So my process flow would be, first we will be preparing dough for making flat bread. Then we'll be preparing three kind of stuffings, and then final stage we will be assembling the sandwich, and then it is ready to grill. So my process flow would be like this. So let's start. So first of all, for kneading dough, we need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, that is maida. I am going to add some salt. I am also going to add some seasoning. I'll be little quick at making this, so that I can talk to you more and I can quickly finish up with my recipe. Now we have to mix up these dry ingredients. First of all, generally જે બ્રેડ આપણે માર્કેટમાંથી લાવતા હોઈએ છે એ એમાં સિઝનિંગ નથી હોતું, પણ થોડા ટેસ્ટ વેરિએશન માટે મેં આમાં થોડું સિઝનિંગ કર્યું છે. Now I am going to add my mixture of activated dry yeast. This is activated dry yeast mixture. So we have to add that. I am also going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil into that, so it doesn't get dry. Then for color variation, I have taken spinach puree. I have already prepared it. So I am going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons again. And this, this is going to be our magical dough or multi-purpose dough, you can say. You can work out pizzas from this. You can even make spring rolls. You can make tortilla. Then you can also make regular bread, pav. So not many things you can work out from this dough. So I am going to mix it. I am not going to use my hands at all because this mixture is going to be very sticky. Just you have to mix it well. Little water. I have already prepared my dough, so I am going to show you. But this is a very necessary step, so I just wanted to share you with all, So you have to prepare mixture like this. So this beater I find more appropriate to mix this, because otherwise it is very difficult to, handle it. So that's it. Our dough is ready. And we have to keep it aside for at least 30 to 35 minutes. So let me show you. I have, already prepared my dough. One is with beet puree and one is with spinach puree. You can see the fluffiness, the rise we have got in dough, right? So your dough should be, like a slime. જે છોકરાઓ આજકાલ બહુ જ રમે છે. If you have seen slime, તો તમે એને હેન્ડલ કરી શકશો પ્રોપરલી. અને જ્યાં સુધી એ સ્ટિક ના થાય તમારા હાથમાં, that means your dough is perfect, right? Now let us come to the second part, that is stuffing. We are going to make 3 stuffings. First is my favorite combination of sliced onion and tinned pineapple. So I am going to season it only with, pepper and salt. So it's so easy, quickly you can make stuffing, right? Our second stuffing is of boiled potato. I have not fully smashed it. You can see there are some chunks here, right? I am going to add 1 tablespoon of Szechuan sauce and half tablespoon of butter. So this is our second stuffing. You have to just mix it properly. This is going to be very spicy and buttery. The first one is my favorite combination of, sliced onion and tinned pineapple. And I'll be adding chili powder for getting good color, I have used Kashmiri chili powder, so it is not that spicy. See, our second stuffing is also ready. So what I have done, I have tried to combine 3 different stuffing, and I am going to create unique taste, So our second stuffing is also ready. Now moving to the third stuffing. I have got all the mixed vegetable in juliennes. I have taken capsicum, then red cabbage, then regular cabbage, carrot and tomatoes. Make sure that you de-seed the tomatoes before you use it. So I am going to sprinkle little bit of salt, red chili powder and chaat masala, or you can also use sandwich masala if you have at your home. So my third stuffing is also ready. So see how quick we have prepared, dough and stuffings. Now moving to the third part. From the dough, I have already prepared tortilla like this. 2 of them are from beet puree, and these 2 are prepared with the help of spinach puree. So now coming to the assembling part. So first we'll be taking tortilla, and I am going to apply butter on it. Some mayonnaise. And we have to simply, spread it. Be generous with the amount of butter you are using. I have taken cake board so that easily you can have a look. So this is the combination of butter plus mayonnaise. And now I am going to add my first stuffing on this. We have to spread sliced onion. And you have to arrange tinned pineapple as well. I love the cheese pineapple sandwich, And I also like the taste of onion in sandwich. So I have taken both. Now, I am going to sprinkle cheese over it. So this is, full of mayonnaise, cheese, butter, onion, and tin pineapple. It gives a beautiful taste, right? So now we'll be taking another tortilla and we'll be applying butter on it. I have got beautiful color from, beet and spinach puree. So I am going to cover it and we have to press gently. Now again we'll be applying butter, tomato ketchup, and again I am going to spread it. It is going to be very yummy and healthy too because I have many vegetables, potatoes, cheese, everything, right? So it will definitely give you unique taste, unique texture, unique look, and I'm sure you will all, fall in love with this sandwich. Now we will be spreading our spicy second stuffing. I have not added salt into this stuffing because Szechuan sauce is also salty, butter is also salty, and we have again applied butter and sauce, so no need for salt. And make sure that you are spreading your stuffing uniform way. Now again we have to apply some butter on this tortilla. And yes, before we cover it with tortilla, I have to add one cheese slice on this potato stuffing because combination of Szechuan sauce and potato is great. So I'll be now covering this with this tortilla. Again, you have to press it. Now, on third layer, again we have to spread some butter. And in this layer, we are not going to add cheese anymore. I have prepared this green chutney. It is not the regular green chutney. It is the spicy sandwich green chutney. So there is no sugar in that. Now we'll be spreading our julienne cut vegetables. And this portion which I am showing you is enough, or I would say more than enough for one person. You can always serve it with soup or mocktail. So it is very easy and quick to make. Now finally we'll be covering it with tortilla. You have to spread lot of butter. Be generous with that. And again, you have to press it. Now, finally, on tortilla again, I am going to spread some butter before it goes for grilling. I have already preheated my griller, and I have also greased it. You can use oil, you can use butter, right? So anything you can use. So it is going to be very yummy and delicious, full of cheese, mayonnaise, green chutney, vegetables, potato, everything. So this is 3-in-1 sandwich. Before it goes to griller, let me sprinkle some oregano and paprika. And now it is ready for grilling. So see how beautiful it looks, right? So I am going to put this into a griller. And you have to make sure that the size of your tortilla should be such that it fits well into your griller, right? And now we'll wait for 5 to 7 minutes. So hi Harsha.
Yes, Neeti, I was really lost in the recipe. Very beautifully, minutely, you explained that I was, wanting कि कल definitely a recipe काले हूँ बनावी सच. Though I'm not a good cook as you all are, but definitely each day I am learning, from the recipes. Neeti, one question I want to ask you. There's a banner behind you. Can you just tell me what is that banner? Because I can see your photograph and some write up, but I'm not able to read. So, can you just brief me with that?
It is my banner, Harsha. Previously, before 6 to 7 years, I was, working with regional channel DD Girna as a cooking expert, and I worked there for more than 3 years. So I have, written something about what is cooking is to me. So it is. Let me read out. Cooking is just carrying with creativity and flavor of our taste buds and traditions with keen knowledge, interest, and involvement to innovate new dishes for the generation all. So that is my cooking definition.
So wonderful, Neeti, because the way you were, doing that recipe, I was wondering that ये तुम्हारा पहला live show तो हो ही नहीं सकता, because you were so confident, and the way, you were using all the equipments and everything, all the ingredients, तो इतनी fluidity, so मुझे लगा ही था कि you must have been, somewhere on some master show, chef show or something like that. But wonderful, Neeti. It was a pleasure to have you. And after this, I would like you to just click a picture of this. I want to post it in the comment section box, this poster also.
1 minute. I am getting very much, nice aroma, and my griller is ready. So
okay.
Let me go there.
Wonderful. Okay.
And after 3 to 4 minutes, you again have to rotate it at 90 degrees so that, you get the crisscross pattern and the uniform grilling. So I am waiting for another 3 minutes and it's ready to serve then.
So for these 3 minutes, we can have a little chit chat with you, Neeti, if that is okay.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So one request that I made, I want this picture of this poster because it has a beautiful definition of cooking. So I will post it in the comment box. And another, tell me something about other recipes that you know, like to make for your family, or what your family loves when you make them.
Yeah. Before I, talk about that, I have two messages which I really want to share with, Small Wonder viewers and you all.
Yes, Neeti, you can share. Please go ahead.
Yeah. એક મારું ઓબ્ઝર્વેશન છે કે nowadays online learning is a very good platform. You can learn many things at home just by with tip of your finger. So that's a very good thing. But for ladies or mom chef, I would definitely like to tell કે રોજ આપણે 100 કે 200 જેટલી પણ videos જોતા હોઈએ, whether it is related to cooking or dancing or any form of art, અને એમાંથી હાર્ડલી આપણે 10 એવી આપણને લાગે કે જે આપણે રિયલી અટેમ્પ કરી શકીએ. અને બીજું કે એમાંથી હાર્ડલી આપણે 3 કે 4 રેસિપીઝ આપણને ગમે કે જે આપણા ટેસ્ટ બડને સૂટ થતી હોય. અને ફાઇનલી વોટ વી ઓલ ડુ કે આપણે હાર્ડલી એક જ રેસિપી ટ્રાય કરીએ છીએ. સો અનલેસ એન્ડ અન્ટિલ યુ ડુ ઇટ યોર સેલ્ફ, I think online learning it's of no use. So I would like to say that use it in a right way. જ્યાં સુધી તમે કોઈ પણ વસ્તુનો સપોઝ કોઈ પણ લાઈવ સ્ટ્રીમિંગ હોય અથવા તો કોઈ વિડીયોઝ તમે જોતા હો, તો એનો જે પ્રોસેસ ફ્લો હોય એ એટલો બધો તમને સ્મૂથ લાગતો હોય છે, અને એમાં એટલું બધું તમે જ્યારે જોતા હો છો ત્યારે તમને ખરેખર બહુ જ ઈઝી લાગતું હોય છે. પણ વન્સ યુ સ્ટાર્ટ ડુઈંગ ઇટ, તમને ત્યારે ખ્યાલ આવતો હોય છે કે આમાં શું શું ડિફિકલ્ટીઝ આપણને આવી શકે. સો ફોર લર્નિંગ, ઇફ યુ રિયલી વોન્ટ ટુ લર્ન, make a practice and start doing whatever you want to actually learn. So that is my message to viewers. અને હું મારી જ વાત કરું, if I share my experience, કે જ્યારે આપણી મમ્મીઓ આપણને જ્યારે રોટલી શીખવાડવાનું એમને મન થતું હોય ત્યારે there was no written recipe or video. એ લોકો આપણને લિટરલી કહેતા કે સ્ટાર્ટ ડુઈંગ ઇટ, અને that's how we learn it. અને એ આપણા હાર્ટમાં કાયમ રહે છે. તમે જેટલું બી સાંભળો છો તો તમે થોડા ટાઈમ માટે એને યાદ રાખી શકો છો. તમે જ્યારે કોઈ વસ્તુને જુઓ છો ત્યારે એને તમે સમજી શકો છો અને તમે એને વધારે સારી રીતે યાદ રાખી શકો છો. પણ જ્યારે તમે એ વસ્તુને કરો છો ત્યારે તમને બાય હાર્ટ એ વસ્તુ યાદ રહી જતી હોય છે. તો સ્ટાર્ટ ડુઈંગ ઇટ. That's my message to all viewers.
બહુ જ સરસ મેસેજ,
So
નીતિ.
now
અને
I'm ready with my
Yes.
double 3-layer and double in color grill sandwich. I just want to show you all that એના layers કેટલા સરસ દેખાઈ રહ્યા છે. This is another type of serving. There are different ways of decorating your plate. And there is one sweet surprise from me to you all, especially for small wonders. I have, prepared Thai shorts. It is a mixture of milk powder, mango puree, curd, and desiccated coconut powder. This is the unique combination. So these Thai mango shorts are ready to serve, And I am also have some scoop with me. So I am again going to decorate it. So thank you, Harsha, for giving me this opportunity. I really enjoyed it a lot to be with you all. And thank you, viewers, for joining me. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Neeti. Wonderful. And this surprise of these shots was excellent. અને જે રેસીપી તમે ત્યાં મૂકી, દરરોજ જેટલા મધર શેફ આવતા હતા એ લોકોને હું એવું કહેતી કે આફ્ટર ધ શો આઈ વિલ કમ એન્ડ પિક અપ ધ પાર્સલ, બટ સિન્સ યુ આર સ્ટેઇંગ ઇન અમદાવાદ, so I can't make that offer to you. But definitely I will miss to eat that grill sandwich because દેખાવમાં કેટલી સરસ, delicious અને yummy લાગે છે. પ્લસ મને
Yes,
બહુ
but
જ ગમ્યું નીતિ કે તમે જે રીતે સોસ એમાં પ્રેઝન્ટ કર્યો છે, કેપ્સિકમનું જે તમે મસ્ત ડેકોરેશન કર્યું છે, મને બહુ જ ગમ્યું એ.
I literally forgot to, show you something.
ઓકે.
So we actually decorate it, because this sandwich is incomplete without, pouring some sauce or dips. So there are different ways of garnishing your dish, So that's all for today, Harsha. Thank you once again.
વન્ડરફુલ નીતિ. એકવાર મારે ખાલી ફરીવાર પેલો સોસ જોવો છે કેપ્સિકમમાં જે તમે ભર્યો છે ને, ઈ આઈ જસ્ટ વોન્ટ ધ ઓડિયન્સ ટુ સી દેટ, because wonderful use of this capsicum you have done and so beautiful this dish is looking. Wow. And you have a cover also for it. Beautiful, beautiful, Neeti. બહુ જ સરસ ન્યુટ્રિશનલ વેલ્યુ સાથેની આ ડિશ. Neeti, thank you so much. And we will also request કે હજુ આવી કોઈ સરસ રેસીપી હોય તો definitely you can, be on our show once again. Our viewers will definitely love to try your recipe. Thank you, Neeti, from all of us.
This was really lockdown special recipe because trying bread at home is really difficult and challenging. But once you master it, I am sure it is not that easy as it seems. So do try this recipe at your home. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Neeti. Bye-bye. Thank you. And viewers, the recipe is right there in the comment section box. And also I will take this picture, which is exactly behind Neeti, so that we can have a beautiful definition also. So thank you, Neeti. Thank you, Bhushan. And today, again, we are coming back sharp at 9:30 with a Shame Ghazal program, wherein Neeti's husband, Bhushan, is also participating. So thank you and stay tuned, dear viewers of Small Wonders. Again, we are coming back live at 9:30. Thank you so much.